diamond ring, baby. I just want you to love me. I know that you're
We just need your love, baby. The bro is ready to do everything for you.
Ain't nobody love me like you do. I wish I could tell you everything what's in my mind, but all this pain got me losing my mind like damn.
Yes, hello, Kuki people. Nadam Namo Shivai Salam Muve. Welcome. Hope everyone is doing well and safe. So welcome everyone, guys. So today we have highly suggested, guys. So many people wrote to me that I have to take this guy by the name Trap Inve Faded. I think this is the music title. I don't know if his true name, but the name is like Trap Inve, guys. So we're gonna check this out, guys. I can't wait. Let's check it and see what he got for us, guys. Thank you for whoever supported my channel, and stay tuned, guys. Love you all. Let's go. Okay. Faded. This is like from the it's kind of a cover, right? Because the beat from the sound of that Faded song. Is this Kuki flag, guys? Tell me.
Baby, go get some honey, we could party all night. We could set the mood right. Yeah, I just wanna dance with you.
He's singing in English.
Love it when shawty right with me.
Oh, the guy's rapping in English. Wow. I didn't expect that. I thought he was going to sing in Kuki Thadou. Yo, she know I am a bubble Hey, bro is using some bad ones, but the song is lit.
Gave me everything, gave you all my love, baby. Let me hold your hand, I swear you gon' be the one. Shut the fuck on my vibe, come and take flight with me. Gotta put ice on mama just to flex on all the haters. Stay with my brody, ride around towns with my brother.
Bro is a good rapper, man.
Gotta keep my Glocks with me, just in case a goofy nigga pull up on me.
Pull up, man.
Let me love you, let me be the one for you.
Let me love you.
Cause you ain't
Pick
gotta
up.
lie to me, you ain't gotta be shy, yeah. Baby, show me some real love, cause I had no real love before. People come and go, but I just wanna stay with you, yeah. If you trust me and believe me, I can give you diamond ring, baby. I just want you to love me. I know that you're
We just need your love, baby. The bro is ready to do everything for you.
Ain't nobody love me like you do. I wish I could tell you everything what's in my mind, but all this pain got me losing my mind like damn.
Brother is losing his mind just for you. Woo! Hey, brother is in love, guys. Brother is so deeply in love, and I just love. This is it's like we found a Kuki Eminem today. We discover a Kuki Eminem, guys. He was continuously rapping, man. Oh my God, there is no that much break. But he's really good, guys. He's really good. Trap Inve, brother, you have a bright future. Believe me, man. The way he was rapping, I'm pretty sure bro, where did you study? Did you study in India? I just want to ask him. Even the way he sound, like the accent, is totally different, guys. Where is he staying now? This brother is so good. He's a very good rapper, guys. I just feel like to call him a Kuki Eminem, guys. He's a very good rapper. He's a very good rapper. He was rapping about a love. He was expressing, falling in love, impressing his girlfriend. Yeah, that was all about love. But I can't just imagine if he will be rapping for the land. Try to sing. Yeah. Bro, next time we are suggesting you to sing for the land, for your people, man. I'm pretty sure they will love it. And I didn't even believe that this song was full in English. Oh my God. Congrats. That was amazing. I just love it. I don't need to think of subtitle because everything was sung in English. That was really amazing, guys. And tell me, how do you think of him, guys? He's very good, according to me. He's very good rapper, guys. I don't know if you guys will love such music, because I know much of Kuki people, they prefer to listen to, like most of them, they love the Thadou, like the mix, the local language. So it will be good next time also if brother will be, if the Trap Inve can sing for you both in English and the Thadou language, then you, most of them, they will obviously, they will definitely love it, guys. So anyway, bro, keep doing your work. You're going well. Amazing. Love from Africa, guys. Till next time, don't forget, keep suggesting, keep supporting. Support him also, guys. He's a very good rapper, guys. One day, he's gonna take you somewhere. He's gonna bring the name up. He's gonna make the Kuki people proud, guys. Such people, you need, all you can do, just support him, subscribe to his channel, and don't forget also, if you're not part of this big family here, join our African family, subscribe, stay tuned, love you all. Peace out. Stay safe, guys. Take care. God bless you all.